We're going to go over questions 6 through 10. So let's get right to it. Okay. Number 6 says, according to figure 1, as depth increases, pressure does what? So let's see. As depth increases, so we needed to find depth, right? And then find pressure. Pressure does what in this same direction? And that means it goes from 10 to 65. And so the answer to that one is B, increases only. So remember, for this whole standard, you're finding the trends, right? So that means that you read the question. Step 1 is find where to look. So this one will be table 2. For number 7. Excluding meteoric diamonds, how does the approximate age compare with the typical size? As age increases, so as age increases, so we have to order them, right? So this is the youngest, this is the middle, and this is the oldest. What does size do? 1 to 10 nanometers, greater than 1 millimeter is number 1, and then 10 to 100 micrometers. So if I order them 1, 2, 3, then I have 1 millimeter, 2, 10 micrometers, 2, 10 nanometers. Okay, and so then the answer here. Now, a lot of people are going to get this one wrong if you don't know what these are, micrometers and nanometers. So that's times 10 to the negative 6, times 10 to the negative 9, and that's times 10 to the negative 3. So you actually have to know the metric system, so that's our SI units reading, in order to properly get this one, but the answer to number 7 is A. So that one was a little tricky. If you got that one wrong, don't feel bad. I mean, don't feel bad if you get them wrong anyway, but you know, especially don't feel bad. Okay, number 3, and by that I mean number 8. According to figure 1, when tracing a continental geotherm, as depth increases, the temperature does what? So we have to do a couple things here. The first thing that we have to do is go to figure 1. Then we need to find our continental geotherm line right here. Now, as depth increases, which is this way, so as depth goes from here to here, what did our temperature do? It went from 400-ish to 1300-ish. So our answer to question 3 is A. It increased. So it's tracing it along the graph for that one. All right. I haven't used green yet. Okay. Number 9. Based on figure 1, as time elapsed, the drug concentration of formulation X. So I'm going to go to figure 1, and then I'm going to go as time elapsed, so that means as we go this way, this is my drug concentration of formulation X. I need to find this diamond. So this line is kind of hard to tell. Okay. So it's this one. So what does the drug concentration do? We see an increase, and then we see a decrease. So number 9, the answer to that one is C, increase and decrease, which we get from tracing the graph. And the last question of the day. Okay, based on figure 2, as time elapsed, so I'm going to go to figure 2, time is my variable, and then the MTC of the drug. So what is the MTC? Let's find this on the graph is MTC. Well, if I look right there, as time went on, that never changed, right? It's a straight line. So that is going to be D, remained constant. And that is all for today.